Hindi po ba, ma'am, nakasulat sa 6.1.1 ng Joint Circular 1215-01, sinasabi dyan, under no circumstance funds it be used for liquidation of the previous cash advance o ito, or be transferred from one accountable officer to another. It's there. Tama po ba?
Sandali lang, sir.
Mm-mm.
Tanaw pa na ako ang page.
Opo.
Page.
Second sentence po ng 6.1.1. Ulitin ko. Under no circumstance shall confidential funds in particular be used or be transferred from one accountable, wala dyan, it refers to officer to another. Alam nyo itong provision na ito, tama po ba?
Alam ko po.
Alam nyo yan. Despite knowing that, you still binigay mo pa rin sa isang security officer yung pera despite knowing 6.1.1. Tama po ba?
Gidisburse po dako sa security officer, Your Honor.
This is the first time we're hearing that. Now, let's go to 6.1.6 of the joint circular. Okay? 6.1.6. Nakasulat dyan, ma'am. Confirm. No transfer of funds, appropriation through cash advances or any form of payment from one agency to another for purposes of confidential intelligence activities shall be allowed. So yung kanina, hindi po pwede yung pag-transfer from one accountable officer to another, worse, sa hindi accountable officer. And then you will confirm, based on 6.1.6, hindi rin po pwede yung pag-transfer ng confidential funds from one agency to another. Of course, alam nyo rin yung provision na iyan. Tama po ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
And despite knowing that, pangalawang provision na bawal yung pag-transfer, binigay nyo pa rin kay Colonel Lachica yung confidential funds. Tama po ba?
I-disburse ko po kay Colonel Lachica, Your Honor.
Disburse now,
Release.
this time, the term you are using is disburse.